Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a snowy pine tree. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our little winter pine tree, let's begin by making the top of the tree. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to come up to a rounded point and then down here. Next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some kind of like bumpy lines right across here to connect it. We'll do that same thing down here. Let's make two lines that come out on each side. Then we're just going to make some bumpy lines come right across. We'll do that one more time. We'll come down on each side. And then we're just going to make these bumpy lines right across here. Now for the trunk of the tree, let's draw a line down. And we'll make another line down here. Then we're going to make just like some bumpy little lines across the bottom. And then we're just going to make it a little wiggly right there for some snow. I like to make some of these little lines that I don't quite connect just to give a little bit of detail of some tree bark. Then right here, I'm going to make kind of like a wiggly line right across the bottom of each of these. And what we're going to do is this will be like where the snow ends and then like the green part of the tree meets. Then just to make it kind of fun, let's go ahead and make a circle and a circle for some eyes on our tree so we can give it a little face. Put a little dot inside each one. We'll make a line across for a mouth, and we're just going to go down and up with a little sad face for the tongue. And there you go, there is your drawing of a fun, cute little winter tree. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.